Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. A few videos back now I tested out oil pastels for the first time, and in that video I said that I would do a similar video where I try out paint pens, and here I am to deliver on that promise. I specifically have the Arteza. I don't really know how to say the brand name. They're acrylic markers and I'm going to try them out. I've got a spare piece of paper so that I can activate the markers without ruining my drawing, and then I can also sort of swatch them and decide what colours I'm using. A while ago on TikTok I saw someone do this really cool thing. You draw out what you want to draw or paint, and then you colour in each section with a different colour, which I thought was a really cool idea. And it gives off a bit of like Mondrian vibes, I guess. Well, the original artist one did, especially because of the colours. I thought I would make something inspired by that, and I didn't want to do the exact same thing. I'm trying really hard to do more original art rather than just copy other people. So I've drawn a bunch of different art supplies like paint and a palette, brushes. I love how this is going. I am so happy with these pens. I love how bright the colours are as well. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna add another colour now. I kind of want to do this. I'm definitely gonna need more than 5 colours. I think it's time to add another colour, but I don't know what colour to go for. These marker pens are so good for correcting stuff. You can't even tell. I don't really know what other colour to add. Let's see what our options are. Not orange, not yellow. Could add darker purple. Metallic. What is this? Royal purple. You could add royal purple, I suppose. I'm having a lot of fun with this exercise. I've decided I'm going to use my darkest purple for the background up here, and then that solves my issue of it not being the same as this purple, and none of the other colours are the same, so that's good. I'm just adding some more details. Time to do a big section. Oh, wrong colour. Said I would do royal purple as it's called. I could do this dark purple. Yeah, I could change that to dark purple and make this light purple. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. The last bit to colour in is the palette now. I am going to do that, and then I'm going to get a black marker pen and I'll explain what I'll do afterwards. This is what it looks like so far. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I am now going to go and fetch a black marker pen to do the outlines of each shape. I really feel like that's going to bring it together, and yeah, I am extremely happy both with the pens and also how it's looking. This is the final painting. I absolutely love it. It was such a fun little exercise as well. I would definitely recommend doing this if you like the look of it. I would definitely be using these paint pens a lot. I am so happy with this. How cool is that? I love it. Love it. And here it is next to the oil painting from the other video. If you haven't watched it, then definitely go check that out.